In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is a quick way to get to the official sign-in page without having to remember the exact URL. In the search box, type Salesforce login. You'll see results appear almost instantly. Look for the official result that says Login to Salesforce. Click that to go straight to the secure Salesforce login page. On the login screen, click into the username field. Enter the username provided by your organization or the one you use for your Salesforce account. Take a moment to make sure there are no extra spaces before or after your username. Those can cause login errors. Next, click into the password field. Type your password carefully. Salesforce passwords are case sensitive, so double check capital letters, numbers, and any special characters. Once your username and password look good, click the Login button to proceed. If your organization has multi-factor authentication enabled, you may be prompted to approve a notification or enter a verification code. Complete that step to continue. Remember, never share your password or codes with anyone, and avoid signing in on computers you don't trust. On this same page, you'll also see a Remember Me option. If you want your browser to remember your username on this device, you can select it. This doesn't store your password, just your username, so it speeds up future logins. Skip this option on shared or public computers to keep your account secure. If you can't recall your password, click the Forgot Your Password link. You'll be guided through a quick reset process, typically by entering your username or email and following the instructions sent to your inbox. Be sure to create a strong, unique password when you reset. Some organizations use a custom login domain for single sign-on or enhanced security. If that applies to you, click Use Custom Domain. You'll enter your company's Salesforce domain and continue, which will route you to the correct sign-in method for your organization. If you're not sure whether you have one, check with your Salesforce admin or IT team. You may also see an option to log in with email. Click that if you prefer to use your email address instead of your username. Enter your email on the prompt and, if you like, select Remember Me here as well so your email is pre-filled next time you visit on this device. Then click Continue. Depending on your organization's settings, you might receive a verification code or be redirected to your single sign-on provider. Follow those on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in. If you started the email login flow and need to switch back, no problem. Click Login with username to return to the standard username and password screen. After you've successfully signed in, you'll land on Salesforce. To jump into your work, click Sales. This opens the Sales app, where you can access leads, opportunities, accounts, and your pipeline. If you don't see Sales immediately, look for the app menu or launcher near the top left of the screen, open it, and select Sales from the list. From here, you can begin tracking deals, updating records, and managing your day-to-day tasks. That's it. Open Google, search for the Salesforce login, choose the official result, enter your username and password, and use the extra options like Remember Me, Forgot Your Password, Use Custom Domain, and log in with email when needed. Then select Sales and you're ready to go. If you found this helpful, keep practicing these steps a couple of times so they become second nature, and you'll be in and working in just a few clicks.